Let's look at how Read and Write for Google works as a reading support tool. We will open up a file in Google Read/Write, and let's look at how the text can be read back to a student, simply by selecting a block of text and then clicking the play button. The text will be read back. Another way it can be read is the click to read. By selecting the click to read, the student can then click anywhere on the document and it will begin reading from that point. There are also a number of interactive reading tools. When a student selects a word or a block of text, a pop-up menu will appear. On the menu, there are a number of tools, such as a set of colored highlighters, students can also highlight a word and then click the picture icon for a picture dictionary. There is also a traditional dictionary, and the definitions of the word are read aloud to the student. There is a translation tool. There's also a lookup tool or fact finder, and that simply does a Google search for whatever word or phrase has been highlighted. Students and teachers can also annotate a document simply by clicking the text button. Then they can click anywhere on the document to type an instruction or a question perhaps. The annotations can also be read back to the student when they click them. Students can also collect all of their highlights. Simply by clicking the collection tool, students can create a new document. All of the highlights will be collected and put into a Google document for them. A new document is created, all of the highlights appear, including a link to the document from which they drew the words. Another way to collect the words is to hit the vocabulary icon. When you click the vocabulary icon, again, a new document is created, and all the words that were selected are now given a picture dictionary lookup as well as a traditional dictionary lookup. All of them appear in a new Google document, and then students can interact with the words in the new document. When browsing the web, students can click the Google Read/Write icon in the address bar and the familiar toolbar will appear. They can simply select a block of text and click play to have it read back to them. And they can use all the tools they're familiar with, including the highlight tools, the picture dictionary tools, the fact finder, as well as the traditional dictionary. Another very useful tool is the simplification button. Web pages often contain a number of advertisements and images. By clicking the simplify, all of the images are removed, all of the advertising is removed, and only the text appears.